Welcome to the first video of this playlist. Let's start talking. Most of my videos, they are more orientated around kind of a technical aspect, how to do this, how do you do that, kind of engineering designs and helping and inspiring network engineers to actually get that skill set to work within the equipment. This playlist has a little different of a feel to it. In fact, what we're going to be doing is we're not going to be showing you how to perform this work, but we're going to be talking about how to get that first job, how to work your way through that first job and get to where you want to be as a network engineer or whatever you aspire to be. Then we're also going to talk about other skills and other traits, right, that we should focus on outside of the technical realm. So, first video, welcome. This is going to be the everyday IT tech talk, and my name's Scott. Right, a little bit of introduction to myself if you haven't caught it in the other videos where I talked about where I came from a little bit. Is currently I'm a network engineer for a worldwide company, and I didn't get hired as a network engineer. I started out as local site help desk, right, working on printers and PCs and thin clients, right, interacting with the end user. So in 2012, I started as a contractor for this position for this company, and it was supposed to be just a fourth quarter thing. September through December. Ended up being a longer deal. I was a contractor for this company for about 2 years. Got hired on as they considered a site support tech. It's help desk, and kept that job for about a year and a half. Then while I was working there, I had some mindsets. I used my knowledge and my drive to advance, and I ended up getting my senior uh, position about a year and a half or so later, and that's when I really realized that's help desk is not where I wanted to be, not where I inspired to be. So where I wanted to be is in networking and in an infrastructure position. Overall, I want to be in a like first level management position, right, of an infrastructure team. And getting into the infrastructure team obviously is that first step into that goal after you reach site support. So once I did that, once I got that senior position, I actually moved up one more time within that organization and got a team lead promotion. Okay, so I was kind of like a supervisor level. That took about a year to get, and I filled that position for about a year and a half, and I got moved over to the infrastructure team as a network engineer, and that's where I sit today. Now, obviously, I inspire to be a senior network engineer or first level manager, first level supervisor of that team of a team like that, right? Whether it be networking team or overall infrastructure team. And the goal of this playlist, or the goal of these types of videos, is essentially to share my experiences that are non-technical, my tips, the tricks that I've used and I've learned along the way, and really help you guys develop, help you guys really, get that first job, develop yourself through that first job, pick up mindsets and traits to advance to whatever you inspire to be. It doesn't have to be networking, it could be software development, it could be web design, whatever the case may be. And a lot of the fundamental habits, a lot of the fundamental mindsets, it's really the same thing. Whether you want to be in networking or software or security. And this is what I'm looking to give you during this playlist. If you want more technical videos, go on my channel, uh, and you'll see other videos, where I work on physical hardware, where I work in Packet Tracer, Ansible, CML, different things like that. And you'll obviously pick up the knowledge there on how to do the job. So look forward to more videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notified when we send out more content.